Yakni benta jongga kubor la wanraj pi daga fatafat online shopping store.
Umudi rangba jangga jela Conrad sangma ubalang ru unungiram jaka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance ulakan syai ba Kyrtong jangka NPP balakar syanlang daki pat kepala juga MDA Jop Suk ak election MP Rajya Sabha kabalang kakakanda tarik mentau benai. Conrad lapan pawi kani hari yang balakut ke jelang jangka MDA kebabaro ki MLA kebenaran kaliang sensyar MDA kila dalang lain no na uba adal bat nongrum ubala mino na neka kenhun bat umum dan langsung.
Today's MDA meeting was really to number one to come together and to once again express our support for the candidature of Dr. W. Kaluki. I'm thankful to all the members of the MDA who have come today and expressed their support. All the members were here and they have once again reiterated their support for the candidature of Dr. W. Kaluki. Apart from that, we also went through the entire election process on how the votings will take place. So a training session was organized with mock drills and sample ballot papers on how the voting should take place. It's a very simple process, but sometimes it may get confusing for the new members who are voting for the first time. So in order to ensure that there is no mistake, we had a small training session, and that was basically the objective of today's meeting.